As products have become more innovative and capable, designing and engineering them has become more complex. NX is the world-class software you need to handle all aspects of product engineering. And now, with NX value-based licensing from Siemens Digital Industry Software, you can take advantage of NX's industry-leading design and engineering in a budget-friendly way, while providing your team access to dozens of software products you can use on demand. How does it work? Through NX Product Engineering Tokens. You start by purchasing a pool of tokens based on your needs, such as number of users and the token value of the products they'll be using. Your team can now access that common token pool. When a team member uses a product, its token value is subtracted from the available token pool, a process that applies to each team member. And when a team member finishes using a product, its token value is added back to the available pool. And as new products are added, you can access them from day one. Value-based licensing provides cost-effective flexibility, so your team can tap into a vast array of NX add-ons and tools on demand, whether you need them daily or occasionally. You can even seamlessly blend both value-based licensing and floating add-on modules to maximize your flexibility while minimizing costs. Imagine the ability to innovate without compromise. That's the power of NX value-based licensing, whether you're a startup, small or medium business, or a large enterprise. Learn more about how you can take advantage of NX value-based licensing by visiting us on the web.